and Bisaya, sorry. Because I have a friend too here. And she's Bisaya too. Have you reached 1K subs? No. I already have 72 subscriber. That's why I'm asking people here to subscribe me. Because my subscriber is 72 only. I don't reach 1K. It's far, far from my destination. No, this is not a scam. You need to ask your friends to subscribe you.